Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is not my usual content. I usually do nail art, as most of you know. So if you're just coming here to see the Walmart beauty box, welcome. Stay tuned all the way through. There's going to be a bonus unboxing by my grandson with something he got, and hope you all enjoy it. I was hoping you'd see a hummingbird or two here, right behind me. I can hear them. They're at the other feeder. So let me know what you think of these boxes. I only paid like $5 and $7 for them. Really cheap. I will definitely keep getting them. All right, one person said they wanted to see my beauty boxes from Walmart. So here we go. I've got two. And I think the deal was like you could get the beauty box and then it's seasonal. I don't know why. I got an offer for an extra box, buy one box and then the other one. I don't know. I think I only paid like $5 for this box that is dated. Nope, this one's summer. This is summer. It's seasonal. This is summer 23. This one was $6.95. And then I think this one that says 2022, it was just like a bonus one that I could get. I don't know, maybe for $5. Used to, they had beauty boxes every month and it was $5 a month. And I don't know how long ago that's been, a couple years maybe. And then they stopped. And I don't know why. But I thought $7 for a beauty box, seasonal. So only, 4 times a year. So I do have spring over here. Let's look at this one first. Oh, my stuff's falling out. And this is a beauty space. This, I don't know if I've got all this or not. So I liked this box before because I just thought it was cool. $5 and I got quite a bit of stuff. So beauty space. This is just like a neoprene little bag to stick all my stuff in. Okay, that is not listed in this little thing. Here I have jasmine and rose hand wash, scented with coconut, peach, rose, jasmine, and sweet vanilla. So it's just a little sample of the hand wash, but they have it in full size is $9. Full size is 11.8 ounces, and this one is 28 ounces. And then waterproof sports mascara, and it's in a tube. Ico. Full size is 24 ounce, and this is just a sample. So I'll have to try that, see if I like that. I always get waterproof because my eyes are always watering for some reason or another. And next we have biotin and amino acid infused lash serum. I've never tried this. And this says it's a 6-week supply. And a full size is $49. Holy crap. I mean, this is 6 week. Is this full? It just says 1 count. I think this is full size. Okay. Wow, $50. This is Philip B. Peppermint Avocado Shampoo. I'll take that and use that on vacation. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's sealed. And a full size is $36, and a full size is 7.4 ounces, and this one is 2 ounces. Oh, it smells really good. Peppermint. That smells good. And here we have Patchology Get Dewy With It Sheet Mask. And I used to do these all the time. I never do them anymore. There, I have one. $5 for that. And then this. By Terry Hydrolonic. There you go. Hydra powder. Full size is $54 and 0.35 ounces. Yikes. Yeah, that's not something that I'm gonna probably, ooh, that's quite a bit in there. This is 0.045 ounces. Pressed powder infused with skincare benefits of hyaluronic acid. Sets makeup, mattifies complexion. Okay. Just a finishing powder. Oh, it's got a little seal there. Okay. Is that it? Oh, no. One more thing. Grow Gorgeous. No. Yeah. Grow Gorgeous Leave-In Serum for your hair. Bodifying leave-in serum. So you just put it on towel dried hair. Okay, and full size is $20. So I mean, that's a really good value. You know, like I said, I think I paid $5 for this. This isn't available every year. This evidently is from last year. And none of them were expired. Let me check to make sure. I mean, they're all sealed. That's a lot of stuff for $5. I mean, I used to get beauty boxes all the time. Ipsy and FabFitFun and what else? Glossy Box. I got quite a few of them, and they were so expensive. Targets. It was only $7, and it was worth more than the rest of that. I mean, that one is worth quite a bit of money. But this is the seasonal. $7 for this, and I will get it once a quarter every season. This one is summer. Oh, that was spring, but that was last year. Okay, summer 11. I'll put that over here. Oh, right off we have Mani to Go reusable nail tips. Press-ons with a toteable mesh pouch. Oh, let's see. Try me. How am I going to try? Oh, stick your finger in there and, ooh, yeah. So here we have this little pouch, I guess, to put it in. Put your tips in, and it's got glue, super glue. I mean, I like the color. They're fine. Will I use them? No. What? I've been digging out in the dirt. Sorry, just got done watering on my plants. I mean, yeah. If you wear press-ons, I would have to go fancy and stamp those at least. And those... $5, and that is full size. And next up we have some argan oil, 5-in-1 leave-in spray for your hair. This one is 6 ounces full size. This one is 1.75 ounces. So it is a really big sample of a leave-in conditioner and detangler. Let's check her out. Kiss Colors and Care Pink pearl glitter bonnet in size extra large for my extra large brain. Oh, pretty. Holographic bonnet. I don't wear these, but I have been looking for one so when I curl my hair and like put it in, wrap it in, you know, the heatless curlers so that I can sleep in it. I, wow, do need this bonnet actually. Let's get it out and look at it. Ooh. Nice. Got a nice elastic thing. And it's got like a net on the inside. Ooh, pretty. That's nice. And this is CoverGirl Fresh, Clean, Yummy Gloss. Shades will vary. And this is full size. I mean, that's a pretty good size. $8. It's huge. Oh. Oh my gosh. Made in the U.S. A vegan. I mean, tastes pretty good. These things huge. And dark spot fix. Bolden dark spot fix. Skin corrector. And this is 1 ounce, 30 ml. And this is full size, and this one is 19 bucks. All this, the prices of these would be easy to check on Walmart to see if, you know, they're not lying about the prices. But I did not get all of this. I thought, you know, I guess that's just what you could get. And the Pro Brush Kit would have been better for me to get, but that's okay. Lots of serum and witch hazel makeup remover. So I think I did pretty good for $7, and I think I'll use all that really. So okay, that's it. I am still a nail channel. I am still going to do nail art, but one person said when I asked the last video, hey, do you want to see me unbox these? And she said, yes, I love unboxings. There you go. So if I do get any spillover that just came to see the unboxing of the Walmart beauty boxes, I'm a nail channel. I do nail art. So this is what I normally do. And stay tuned for a little fun family video here at the end. Bye. Okay, Lucas has 2 mystery dragons. Oh man, he didn't waste no time.
Oh my gosh.
That is gorgeous.
It has red and golden on it.
Oh my goodness. And that egg is so cool. It's all pearly. Oh, I hope that's a rainbow one. I hope that's a rainbow one. Got the rainbow egg at least, huh?
Yeah. Still have tape on it.
Oh, open it from the other side. Just pop it open. There you go, like that. Oh, it's got tape on both?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you got both the mystery stickers off.
Oh, that was so pretty.
Oh, wow. That one's gold and blue. Oh, they're so shiny and like pearly.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Oh, you can wear them over your shoulder.
I've never seen these before.
So cool.
What are you going to name them?
Oh my goodness.
That's so cute.
Here,
Look at it.
here, let's do this.
Oh, no.
Let go. Let's do this. What's that? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool.
and more like this.
We'll have to get a big one for Christmas.
Yeah.